What's up, family? In this video today, I'm going to be introducing you all to the BtcDana cryptocurrency trading platform where you get to enjoy 50 USDT welcome bonus on your first deposit right here, guys. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you exactly how to trade on various financial markets profitably right here on BtcDana step by step. Plus, I'm also going to be showing you exactly how you can participate in the BtcDana airdrop that is currently going on right now, which is the BDC coin. That happens to be the native token of BtcDana, guys. All right. So I'm going to be showing you exactly how to farm these tokens as an early bird in order to benefit from the token generation event, which is coming up, guys. All right. So make sure to stick with me on through this video. Don't skip any part of it, so you get the full basic info on what I'm going to be showing you guys today. Okay. So if this is your first time joining us right here on this channel, this is Usdt In TV, and what we do here is we give you basic guides on how you can make legitimate money right here on the internet space. Because I, for myself, guys, I make 100% of my income right here on the internet space. Okay, so make sure you smash on that subscribe button right now, guys. Destroy that subscribe button, turn on the bell icon, so whenever Usdt In TV uploads wonderful videos like this one you're about to watch right now here on YouTube, you're always going to be the first to get notified, and then you're going to quickly hop into it to start making the most amount of money for yourselves right away, guys. Okay, so without further ado, let's dive straight into the business of today. Okay, guys, so here we are on my BtcDana account dashboard right now. So as you can see down here, it says BtcDana welcome bonus 50 USDT. Okay, so the only way to claim this right now, guys, is when you actually sign up right here successfully, and as well do your KYC and make your first deposit. Okay, so the basic question right now would be, how can you sign up right here on BtcDana to actually grab this opportunity right in front of you? Okay, so guys, I've actually made things super easy for you guys by leaving the sign up link to the BtcDana website down below this video description, and also it's going to be on my Telegram channel, guys. Okay, so all you can just simply do is join my channel to actually get access to the registration link, and boom, guys, when you are done with your registration, the next step would be going over to the Google Play Store or the Apple Store to download the BtcDana application. So when you're actually done downloading the application, the next step would be signing into your account to actually do your KYC, guys. Okay, so I'm going to go over to the Google Play Store right now, so I show you guys exactly what the BtcDana app looks like, guys. Okay, so let's go. Okay, guys, so here we are on my Google Play Store right now. So if you actually want to download the app, all you simply do is hit on the search bar right here, and then you simply hit on BtcDana. Okay, so this is it right here. You just simply click on it. It's going to load up, guys. Okay, so this is the app right here. I've actually downloaded the app. That's the basic reason why it's showing open right here. But for your case, it's going to be telling you to download. So when you are done downloading the app, the next step would be to open the app right here. And when you actually open the app, you simply sign in to actually complete your KYC, guys. Okay, so that is basically how you can download the BtcDana trading app, guys. All right, so make sure you actually use the registration link I'll be giving to you to first of all sign up on BtcDana before you actually come over to the Play Store to download the app, guys. Okay, reason being that you're going to be given some bonus when you actually use a referral link by a friend. Okay, so make sure not to miss out on the free bonus that will be given to you right here on BtcDana, guys. Okay, so now that you know exactly how you can sign up right here on BtcDana, the next step would be knowing exactly how to trade profitably right here to actually make some good amount of money for yourself on BtcDana. Okay, so guys, I'm going to go back to my account right now, so I show you guys exactly how to start trading immediately. Okay, so guys, let's go. Okay, guys, so here we are back on my BtcDana account dashboard right now. So before I proceed with showing you exactly how you can start trading right here, we first of all need to know exactly how you can complete your KYC, guys. Okay, it's very important you complete your KYC before you start transacting right here, guys. Okay, so how can you do that? So as you can see up here, that shows this human icon right here. All you simply do is hit on it, guys. Okay, here we are. So down below here that says account verification, all you simply do is hit on it, guys. All right, so when you hit on it, guys, you're going to be seeing a prompt to verify your account. Okay, so verifying your account right here is quite easy. You just simply need your government issued ID, and boom, guys, it takes less than an hour before your account gets verified. Okay, so when you have actually verified your account, you can simply come up here that says buying phone number to get 1000 BDC, and boom, guys, you're going to be given the sum of 1000 BDC tokens, which is the BtcDana native tokens. Okay, so that is basically how you can verify your account right here. So you can also trade demo right here, guys. As you can see over here that says demo, all you simply do is hit on demo and just input the amount of money you actually want to use to trade demo, and boom, guys, you just practice right here on different currency pairs and as well different cryptocurrency pairs right here. Okay, so that is basically how it is. So I'm going to go back right now, so I show you guys exactly how you can start trading right here effectively to actually start making some good amount of money for yourself on BtcDana, guys. Okay, so I'm going to go back right now. Here we are, guys. So the basic question right now is, how can you start trading right now? Okay, so before you can start trading right here, guys, you first of all need to have made a deposit into your account. Okay, so how can you make a deposit? So guys, it's quite easy. all you simply do is down below here that is asset, just simply hit on asset right here. Here we are. So as you can see over here on my balance, I currently have about 1000 USDT, guys. Okay, and this money right here, my local currency, which is the Nigerian naira, is worth about 1,580,000 naira. Okay, so I actually made a deposit of 1000 USDT into my account to show you guys exactly how the trading works. Okay, as you can see up here, it is complete ID verification and get your bonus. So this is actually one of my other accounts on BtcDana. I can't complete verification right here anymore because I've done that previously on my other account. Okay, so if you actually want to make a deposit right here into your account, all you simply do is down below here that says deposit, just simply hit on deposit, guys. Okay, so as you can see right here, you can either click on this first deposit option right here, or you click on the second one. Okay, so the second one right here actually has to do with crypto deposit. So as you can see, there's actually a Bitcoin logo on this one right here. So you can also use this one up here by just hitting the up deposit right here, guys. Okay, it's gonna load up. Here we are. So as you can see, there are various ways in which you can actually make deposit right here. You can make deposit using your bank transfer, using Palm Pay, and as well using Tether TRC20 and Tether ERC20, guys. Okay, so whichever way you prefer using to make a deposit into your BtcDana account, it's quite easy. You just simply hit on it and boom, guys, you follow the process and the money is going to be in your account in just few minutes, guys. All right, and mind you, the same way you're actually using making a deposit is the same way you're also going to be using to make a withdrawal. Okay, so that is basically how it is. So what I mean is, if you use bank transfer in making a deposit, you're also going to be using bank transfer in making your withdrawals. And if you use crypto in making your deposit, you're also going to be using crypto in making your withdrawal. Okay, so that is basically how this app is built, guys. All right, so I'm going to go back right now. So let's say you actually want to make withdrawal right here. All you simply do is hit on the withdraw button. Here we are. So as you can see up here, guys, you can either make withdrawals using fiat or crypto. Okay, so like I said previously, whatsoever way you actually use in making a deposit right here is the same way you're also going to be using in making a withdrawal. Okay, so let's say it was fiat currency you actually use in making a deposit into your account. You are also to use fiat right here. And let's say it's crypto, you have to use crypto right here by just hitting on the crypto section over here, guys. Okay, so that is basically how you can make withdrawals right here on BtcDana, guys. Okay, so before you actually start making withdrawals, make sure you might have added your bank account details and as well your crypto wallet address details for easy withdrawals, guys. Okay, so that is basically how it is. So you can also read the withdrawal instructions down below here to actually get more insight on how the withdrawals work. Okay, so I'm going to go back right now, guys. Here we are. So before we proceed on the trading, guys, as you can see down below here, it says standard account. Click here to activate your MetaTrader 5 trading account and unlock more trading options. Okay, so guys, this option right here regarding the MetaTrader 5 is mainly for forex traders. Okay, so if you're actually a forex trader, you can simply activate this option right here to start trading the financial market, guys. Okay, down below here it talks about investment and it says that you're going to be getting 20% right here annually. Okay, just for any investment you actually want to put on right here. So that is basically what this investment section is about. And mind you, guys, if you want to invest right here on BtcDana, you would need to send in money into your savings account and not your trading account. Okay, trading account is mainly for trading. If you actually want to trade, you just simply credit your account and boom, guys, you start trading immediately. Okay, so that is basically how it is, guys. Okay, so right now, how do you start trading? So trading right here is quite easy, guys. You just simply need to hit on the market section down below here. So I'm going to hit on it right now. Here we are. So as you can see over here, it says you can trade popular currencies right here, which is the BTC USDT, the XAU USD, which is also referred to as the London Gold, the ETC USDT, which is the Ethereum Classic, and lots more, guys. Okay, you can also trade the forex market right here, guys. As you can see, if I hit on forex right now, these are the currency pairs right here. The AUD USD, which is the Australian dollar versus the US dollar, the EUR USD, which is the euro versus US dollars, and lots more, guys. Okay, so next right here is the crypto market. If I hit on crypto right now, as you can see, it's going to load up. So these are the pairs right here you can trade on BtcDana. Okay, there's actually much right here. And next is metals. Okay, metals like the gold and silver, as you can see, XAU USD, which is the London gold, XAG USD, which is the London silver, and XAG USD, which is also the London silver. Okay, so this is basically what you can trade right here, and as well you can also trade indices, guys. Right, so these are the indices right here, and as well you can also trade stocks. Okay, it's gonna load up. Okay, so as you can see, guys, these are the stocks available on BtcDana for trading. Okay, you can actually trade the Apple INC stock, you can trade the Tesla INC, and as well the Amazon.com INC. Okay, so with the look of things right here, guys, Tesla has been doing pretty well, unlike Apple and Amazon. Okay, as you can see, Tesla has actually done about 0.13% within the last 24 hours. And Apple has done minus 1%, and Amazon has done minus 2%. Okay, so if I hit on Tesla right now, guys, you would see exactly what I'm saying. Okay, let's give this some time. Here we are. So as you can see, guys, the Tesla stock is currently at 326.36 per one Tesla stock. Okay, so that is it. So as you can see, there has been an uptrend right here. It has been moving pretty well. Okay, but currently, guys, the market is closed, as you can see down here, and you can't purchase until 11:57 a.m. the next day. Okay, so that is basically how you can go about purchasing a stock right here. You just need to, wait until the market is open before you can purchase any stocks. Okay, so I'm going to go back right now, guys. I'm going to go over to, metals right here. Okay, so as you can see, gold and silver has been doing pretty well. They have all been on green, as you can see right here. So let's say I actually want to purchase gold right now. I can just simply hit on XAU USD right here. Okay, so as you can see, currently the market is open and I can actually purchase gold if I want to purchase right now. Okay, so up here says that one gold bar costs the sum of $3,371. Okay, so let's say I actually want to purchase gold right now. All I just simply do is hit on buy down below here. Okay, and then I can simply set my position right here. All right, so let's say I actually want to go in 0.01 lot size. I can just simply hit on 0.01. So this actually means that I need to have the sum of 5.40 USDT on my balance before I can actually go with 0.01 lot size. Okay, so that is it. And let's say I feel maybe 0.01 lot size is too small, I can actually go for 0.1. And I need to have the sum of 53.98 USDT on my balance before I can go with the 0.1 lot size, guys. Okay, so this place down below here that says margin, it's more like they are giving you, a leverage to actually trade. Okay, but before they actually give you a leverage, you need to have this stated amount right here on your account before they can actually give you this leverage, guys. All right, and down here that says fee, they'll be taking a fee of 1.50 USDT from you just for completing this trade, guys. Okay, so that is basically how it is. And mind you, guys, if you actually want to be on a safer side while trading, you can simply set your stop loss and take profit. As you can see right here that says SL/TP, you just simply turn it on, guys. Okay, and then you simply enter your stop loss amount right here, guys. Okay, so let's say you want to stop your loss when gold enters the sum of 3,360. Just leave it that way. And let's say you actually want to take profit when gold enters let's say 3,390. Okay, you just leave it that way, and boom, guys, down below here that says buy, you just simply hit on buy. I'm going to buy right now, guys. Boom. So as you can see, guys, it is order successful. So I'm going to hit on check order right here, guys. Here we are. So as you can see, guys, I'm currently on profit of about 4.50 USDT. As you can see, it's actually counting right here. So that is basically how it is. Trading requires longevity, guys. Okay, you need to be patient with your trade. You just leave it there and invest your money. As long as you're actually on stop loss and take profit, you have nothing to fear, guys. Right, so that is basically how it is. So I'm going to go back right now and show you guys other ways in which you can trade right here, guys. Okay, so I'm going to go back. So before we proceed, guys, make sure to know that the higher your lot size in trading, the higher money you actually make. Okay, so you guys have seen me making such huge amount of money right here. If I actually click on trading right now, you'd see now that I'm actually on $10 profit, $12 profit. Is because of my lot size, guys. I'm using a 0.1 lot size. Okay, so that is basically how it is. So I'm going to go back right now and just show you guys other ways in which you can trade right here. So as you can see over here that says crypto, I'm going to hit on crypto, guys. All right, here we are. So as you can see, if I hit on BTC/USDT right now, here we are. So you would see that Bitcoin is highly volatile right now, guys. Okay, you can either make profit from longing or shorting. Okay, so longing actually means that you are predicting that Bitcoin is going to go higher than this price it is right now, and then shorting actually means that you are predicting that Bitcoin is going to go lower than the price it is right now, guys. Okay, so that is basically how you can trade right here. So let's say you actually want to long BTC, you need to make sure that you have done a proper analysis on your charts. Okay, and then you simply hit on buy right here, guys. Okay, you can also use different lot size. As you can see, there's a 0.01 lot size, there's a 0.1 lot size, there's a 1 lot size, the 2 lot size, and the 5 lot size. Okay, so guys, the higher your lot size is, the higher money you make, and as well the higher losses you make, guys. Okay, you can also set your stop loss and take profits to be on a safer side. Okay, so that is basically how you can trade crypto and as well the other assets right here, guys. Okay, so now that you know exactly how you can trade right here on BtcDana, I'm going to be showing you how you can start earning the BDC tokens, which is the BtcDana native tokens, for yourself until the TGE, when you are going to be giving USDT rewards for participating on the BTC token farming, guys. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you guys how you can start farming these tokens right now. It's actually a Telegram farming, so I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can do that right now to actually start earning these tokens each and every single day, guys. Okay, so let's go. Here we are, guys. So to actually start farming the BTC token on Telegram, you're going to be needing a referral link from a friend. Okay, so that is where I actually come in, guys. I'm going to be leaving the referral link to the BTC farming on my Telegram channel, and as well it's going to be on this video description, guys. Okay, so just make sure to go over there, hit on the link to actually come here to start farming. All right, so how is this game played right here? So guys, when you actually start for the very first time, you are going to get rewarded for using my referral link, and as well you're going to get rewarded for how long you have been on Telegram. Okay, so that is it. So the next step right now would be hitting on this place right here that says lucky. You can just simply hit on lucky spin right here and just simply spin, guys. Okay, so as you can see, I actually won 1,500 golden eggs. I'm going to hit on close, guys. Okay, I can also spin again. Okay, you're actually entitled to about 5 times in spinning daily, guys. I won 8,000 this time. I'm going to hit on close. I'm going to spin again, guys. So let's see how this goes. Okay, I won 8,000 again. I just have 2 spins left. I'm going to hit on the next one right here, guys. Okay, I got 5,000 this time. I'm going to hit on spin again. Boom. So I actually got 15,000 on this one. So that is basically how you can actually spin right here to earn some, tokens for yourself. So I'm going to go back right now, guys. Here we are. So you can also just hit this hand right here carrying this bed. You can just hit on it, guys. Okay, and when the bed actually dies, you actually stand a chance of getting some points. Okay, so as you can see, it says congratulations on winning the reward. I'm going to hit on confirmed. Okay, and the next right here is completing tax. As you can see, if I hit on tax right here, guys, it's going to load up. Okay, so there are actually a bunch of tasks right here to complete to actually earn wonderful rewards for yourself. Okay, so just make sure you complete all these tasks right here to start earning the BTC tokens, guys. Okay, and right here that says friends, you can also invite your friends right here just by copying your referral link, guys. Okay, so when you actually invite your friends right here, both of you stand a chance of getting wonderful commissions for yourself. Okay, and lastly right here that says airdrop. So it says that airdrops are distributed based on the golden eggs you have accumulated. Water the tree more to increase its level and earn more golden eggs. Okay, so just make sure you follow up these instructions right here to earn more BTC tokens for yourself, guys. Okay, so this is all you need to know about farming the BTC tokens on Telegram, guys. All right, I'm going to go back to my account right now so I see how much profit I've made so far trading gold, and also I'm going to be closing the trade, guys, so you guys can see exactly how to close trade. Okay, so let's go. Okay, guys, so here we are back on my BtcDana account right now. So I'm going to hit on this place right here that says trading. Okay, so as you can see right here, I'm currently on 42 USDT in profit. So I'm going to hit on this place down here that says X. I'm going to close this trade, guys. I'm going to hit on this place right here that says confirm. Okay, as you can see, it says opening position. So let's just give this some time, guys. Okay, so it says your order status is not confirmed. Please go to the position page to review. So I'm going to hit on check now. Okay, guys, so I'm going to close the trade again right now. I'm going to hit on confirm. Boom. So guys, I just closed the trade. I'm going to go back to my account right now. Okay, as you can see, I'm currently on 39 USDT right here. So I actually made a profit of 39 USDT in just some couple of few minutes trading gold, guys. So this is basically how you can actually make the most amount of money for yourselves right here on BtcDana. Okay, so guys, this is where I'm going to be drawing my curtain for today. If you actually found this video helpful, do well to leave your boy a thumbs up right now. If you have any questions regarding this, trading right here, just do well to leave it down below the comment section, and boom, guys, I'm going to be replying to all your comments. Okay, so if this is your first time joining us right here on this channel, make sure you smash on that subscribe button right now, guys. Turn on the bell icon so whenever amazing videos like this one you just watched right now is being uploaded right here on this channel, you would always be the first to get notified, and then you're going to quickly hop into it to start making the most amount of money for yourselves right away, guys. Okay, so thank you all once more for watching this video, guys. Do have a wonderful day. Peace out.